Welcome to Dobby's Repairs. I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf, and this is What's in My Toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. So let's find out what's in my toolbox today. And in this installment we have this Parkside pipe wrench and water pump pliers set. I picked this set up on the recommendation of James, one of the regular subscribers and commenters on the channel. So thank you for recommending these, James. They are pretty good. Now I'll go through these and show you what they're like. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to drop a like, that would be great. So yeah, we'll start off with these Parkside water pump pliers. They're pretty good. Got nice solid jaws. Got this really nice comfort grip handle on them. Yeah, they're pretty good. Got a nice good finish to them. Got good grips. Water pump pliers are very handy. You use these for all sorts of different things. I mainly have to admit I use these for taking off the spring hose clamps when I haven't got my other set of pliers on hand, or I've got a set of these in the toolbox. And these are going to rotate in. So I've used them under the sink, so they're quite good. Now the next one I've got, which I've used quite a fair bit, are these curved jaw ones. Now they've got these little plastic protectors on them that you can remove. So underneath you've got like standard teeth. But these little plastic protectors are great. If you ever need to remove a radiator hose or a stubborn hose and you don't want to damage the hose, get these wrapped around it. Obviously only to a certain size, but like a radiator hose is perfect for. And yeah, get these around it and then you can rock it back and forth and break the seal. Pretty handy. And yeah, pretty good. And now we'll move on to the big boy of the set, the pipe wrench. Now this is a big pipe wrench. This is the main reason James recommended it to me. Yeah, it's a very nice little set, very good pipe wrench. Grips really well, and you can use these for tie rod ends, inner tie rod ends. Pretty good for that. Gives you a firm grip. Obviously you just loosen it up and then it will make it tighter. It's got a fairly wide adjustable range, so it goes up to 1 inch, which is quite massive, more than I ever use on a car, but they are pretty good. Again, they've got this nice green finish to them in the Parkside branding colours. Yeah, they're pretty good. And yeah, I picked these up from Lidl's. Yeah, they're all pretty good little things. Let me just move the camera so you actually see them. But yeah, pretty good little tools. So moving on to my final thoughts now. I'm going to give these individual scores, just because there's 3 different items. So we'll start with the water pump pliers, and we'll give this a 3 spanner rating. It is fairly solid and fairly good. Pretty much a standard water pump pliers. These are those. For the curved pliers, I'm going to give them a 4 spanner rating, just to the versatility, and I like the fact that you do have these removable plastic covers. It's very handy for when you're working on water pipes, on water radiator hoses and stuff. So we're going to get a 4 spanner rating. And the pipe wrench, I'm going to give a 3 spanner rating to, just because I haven't really used it all that much. I'm sure it's great. James swears by his. He's used these a lot. I'm always on the lookout for new tools. So if you have anything you want me to review, drop me a comment and I'll try my best to get hold of it and review it for you. So thank you for recommending those, James. Thank you everyone for watching. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback? Let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week, so if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.